So there is a new player entering the smartphone market with their first phone called the CMF Phone 1. For those who are unaware, CMF is a sub-brand of Nothing. We have seen their TWS and now they are launching their first phone in collaboration with Nothing. Therefore, we can expect to see some similar specs and design inspired by Nothing. This phone is going to be interesting because it is going to compete in the budget segment with some good specs similar to what Nothing did with their first phone 1. Similarly, the CMF Phone 1 is rumored to come with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 CPU. The Dimensity 7300 series boosts an octa-core CPU with a 4-ARM Cortex-A78 cores clocked at 2.5 GHz, working in tandem with 4-ARM Cortex-A55 cores. This powerful configuration built on a 4nm process delivers a 25% reduction in power consumption compared to its predecessor, the Dimensity 7050. This is a major and commendable step taken by CMF for their first phone. With this CPU, the phone will be able to compete even against the Phone 2A. To showcase this power, there is a 6.67 inches OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and symmetrical bezels. When it comes to the camera, there is a surprise. The CMF Phone 1 comes with a dual 50 megapixel cameras and a 60 megapixel front sensor. This will be the first phone in the budget segment to offer a dual 50 megapixel camera, but the sensors are currently unknown. Looking at the specs, some people are saying that the CMF Phone 1 is a rebranded Nothing Phone 2A with a design changes. I think even you guys thought for a moment that this is true, but let me tell you that there are some drawbacks in this CMF Phone 1. The CMF Phone 1 will not have the Glyph interface even though it is a sub-brand of Nothing. CMF is not allowed to use the Glyph interface in their smartphones, so they have came up with a new idea which is both new and weird at the same time. The CMF Phone 1 comes with a rounded volume knob at the bottom right side to control the volume level. This is a new way to attract people's attention. This is not the first time they have used this volume knob. In their newly launched neckband, we can see a similar volume knob. The CMF Phone 1 comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a 33-watt charging support, running Nothing OS 2.6 on Android 14 like Nothing Phone 2A. Overall, the CMF Phone 1 looks good on paper and we hope to see similar specs and performance in real life. So what do you think of this new CMF Phone 1? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.